Say left or right, 1 through 6. Right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good luck, dude. Blowout actually took these off the site this morning for a while, and then they raised the price. So I don't know how much they have or what, but we can also do by the pack. If six people go in together, they're like 35. I looked on Blowout, so we could do that too. First pack, 2017-18. Jaron Blossom game. Who in the hell is that? Russell Westbrook. They have these auto this year. I saw Steph Curry auto. Jamal Murray. Buddy. Yeah, no kidding. Lonzo right off the bat. Let's get about 5 of him in one case. Scotty. Swing and a miss. Ben Simmons. Give me just a second, guys. Hey, what's up? Good? Need any help?
No, I've seen this right here. I've never seen it here before.
Cool, man. Well, I'm live on Facebook, man, so if you need anything, just let me know, okay?
Okay, thank you.
No problem, man. This one was upside down. Kyle Kuzma. TJ Leaf. De'Aaron. Booker. Looks like that could be something. Ooh. I keep getting phone calls. We're gonna have to come up with something different. Let's see what we got. I think that's is that an Anthony Davis? De'Aaron Fox, baby. Be a cracked dice. That's a good on-card auto right there. Boom. Only fitting. Only fitting I'm hitting big De'Aaron. Crack Lonzo Ball's head open in the tournament too. I bet you get one on card. Something in there different. Ooh, is that a UCLA? Where's the auto then? Isaiah. You'll want to check some of these guys too. Some of them will sell good. Thon Maker to 15. Wow, that card's nice looking in person. Yogi, Curry. Last pack. Fox is already a good card, so. Larry Bird. Shaq. Some of these foreign guys are going to be good, I'd suspect, but not 100%. Check out De'Aaron Fox. I bet he's pretty good. Not bad at all to start. Booker. All right, first one in the books. Anybody else wants one, let me know, man. They're going to be gone. I mean, just like always with the hot stuff, it'll be here a day or two and then gone. So, no problem, man. Have a great day. We got Absolute in. $139 a box. We got some more certified in. Playoff Contenders. What else did we get? The TriStar mini helmets. We have one full size left. But anyway, let me know. Yeah, there you go. It's not a $400 card, I can tell you that now, but it might be close to your box if it's on card. Get these in a case while we're sitting here talking anyway. Nah, I won't sell for $400. I can assure you, but it might sell for a couple hundred. I'd probably go ahead and I'll get you a picture, and I'd probably go ahead and throw it on. See what happens. I mean, you can tell them it's mint. I don't see any issues. So throw it up there for a couple hundred and see what happens. I mean, he's gonna be good, man. I just don't know. There's De'Aaron at. Anybody else want one before I go off? I'm gonna hit the Lonzo real quick. Actually plan on hitting a couple of them. All right, guys.